This is a problem from section 9.3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to solve this equation step by step. We notice that we have 12 minus 3 parentheses a minus 1 close parentheses is equal to 3 plus a. What you need to do first is decide, okay, is there something that I have to simplify on the left or on the right side of the equation? And you notice on the left side of the equation we have parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. I have 12 and I have negative 3 times a, since I'm going to apply the distributive property, is negative 3a. I have negative 3 times negative 1, and since the rule for multiplying integers, a negative times a negative is a positive 3, equals 3 plus a. You look at the right side and you look at the left side and you decide, can I simplify? And if you look on the left side, you can simplify. You can simplify, you can combine the 12 and the 3. So you have 12 plus 3, which is 15, minus 3a is equal to 3 plus a. We notice that we have a's, or the variable a, on both sides. I've decided to work on the left side with the variables and the right side with the integers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the additive. I'm going to add the additive inverse to the left side of the equation, which is negative 15. The inverse of 15 is negative 15, and that's 0. And I'm left with negative 3a is equal to, and now you have different signs, or you're subtracting 3 minus 15. In this case, you subtract and you keep the sign of 15, so it's negative 12 plus a. You notice that we have the variable a on the left side, that's what we wanted. We have the integer negative 12 on the right side, that's what we wanted. Now we have to subtract a, which is the additive inverse of positive a, and that gives us 0. You see how the variable a, the coefficient is negative 3, and look at variable a, the coefficient is negative 1. We're going to add those since they have the same sign. So we have negative 4a is equal to negative 12. And then our last step is to divide by negative 4. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. So we have a is equal to negative 12 divided by negative 4, which is 3. Our next step is to check. And so we have 12 minus 3 times 3 minus 1. We're going to follow the order of operation. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses. So we have 12 minus 3 times 2. And you notice that we still have 3 times 2. So we're going to multiply 3 times 2, which is 6. And 12 minus 6 gives us 6. That's the left side. The right side, I have 3 plus a. In this case, it's 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and it does check. So our solution to this equation is a equals 3.